Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Subhrangshu and you are watching my channel whose name is Anyone Can Be Creative, where I bring to you some videos related to origami, craft and puzzle solving. In my last video I taught you all how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I thought in this video it would be better to teach you all how to make a very simple pattern on this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let's see what is it. At first, there are some basic notations. You will be seeing them in your screen as well. R for right layer, L for left layer, M for middle layer, U for upper layer, C for center layer, D for down layer, F for front layer, E for E layer and B for back layer. So what are these? The layer which operates with my right hand is right layer. Layer operating from the left hand is left layer. Layer between right and left is the middle layer. The layer in the upper side is the upper layer. Layer down is down layer. And layer between upper and down layer is the center layer. Similarly, this layer which is in the front is the front layer. Layer in the back is the back layer. And layer between front and back is the middle layer. So let us some basic notations, see some basic notations. What does they say? For right, left and middle layer we use upward and downward arrow. For upper, center and D layer we use forward and backward arrow. And for F, E and back layer we use clockwise and anti-clockwise arrow. So let us see what the algorithm says. So let me reveal. The pattern which I will show today is called the checkers pattern. You can see the algorithm for checkers pattern. So let's apply this algorithm. What it says is that the layer between U and D is the center layer. So it says that center layer 2 times, forward or backward nothing matters, because 2 times turning a layer means turning it by 180 degrees. Then middle layer up 2 times or down 2 times, and finally E layers 2 times. And you will find that after applying this algorithm your solved Rubik's Cube got the shape of checkers, as we see in the board of chess. See, here is orange, here is red cross, orange corners, blue center, green cross, blue corners. Now how to revert? For reverting, very simple, again use this algorithm only. C twice, M twice and E twice, and you will find your Rubik's Cube is again in its final initial position. So this checkers pattern is made by turning only the middle layers. So if you turn the middle layers 2 times, center, then center layer and then E layer, the result is same. Again at first middle layer, center layer and E layer. Or if you turn the E layer 2 times at first, middle layer 2 times first, then and center layer then also the pattern is ready. So what I meant is that for making the checkers pattern, basically you have to turn the layers which lie between 2 layers 2 times, and for reverting it also you have to do like that only, and your cube will be in your again in the position from where you started. Remember that to make a checkers pattern you need a solved Rubik's Cube only. The checkers pattern will not work in any scrambled Rubik's Cube. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon on the subscribe button to never miss another update. Hope you liked the video. Meet you in next Saturday. Until then, goodbye.